Hey, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can improve your typing speed and how you can type without looking into the keyboard. I will also tell you the name of the free software that you needed to improve your typing speed and how you can get most out of that. So let's start it. I managed to improve my typing speed to 60 WPM and you can also. I just need your attention while watching the video. In order to improve your typing speed, you need only three things. A free software that I will tell you, and a mindset and how consistent you are. Now let me show you how you can download the free software. Now you can get most out of that. Go to the browser that you are using and type typing trainer. Click on the first link that you will get. Click on the free download. Click on the free download for PC and it will start the downloading. Now we only have to install it. Press next, 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 next. It installed successfully. Click on the continue course. Click on the common words that you will get the two lessons 1 and 2. You can also click on the 150 common words and press next. One thing. Now you have to put your finger on the keyboard in that matter. After putting your finger on the keyboard, start typing and the typing trainer will show you which button you have to press with the help of which finger. For example, the. When you will start doing it first time, you will literally feel my finger is not working with my mind. Maybe there is something fault in me. But this is the mindset you have to change. Start believing you can do that and you will see the power of belief. When you press the next, you will see your speed and you will also see your accuracy and you will also get the graph there. The graph is clearly saying that where I am getting stuck. After that, when you will press on the review button, when you will click on the review button, then it will only suggest to the key where you are getting stuck. Example, I was getting stuck at F, it is suggesting me F. With the help of doing that, you can improve your typing speed and you will be able to type without looking into the keyboard. From the first day, try doing it without looking into the keyboard. This is very much difficult in the starting, but we know learning is the ugliest process, so you do not have to quit it. Keep doing it. Be consistent for 30 days to 30 minutes and I can guarantee you 100% your typing speed will definitely improve and you will be able to type without looking into the keyboards. For me, it was also so much difficult, but I didn't quit it. And still I am typing regularly, only for 4 minutes. 2 minutes for words and 2 minutes for numbers. And still I am saying my typing speed is improving day by day. So be consistent. Guys, a little need your support to grow my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. And I promise you, I will definitely upload a lot of informative video on this channel. Thanks for watching.